Where do all these boys get this money from?
Ah, madam. Oga just left.
He left?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the key to his room?
No.
Do you know where I can find it?
In the guest room.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
So, did anyone look for me?
Yes, sir. Madam,
Who is madam?
Auntie Tina.
Did she go to my room?
Yes, I showed her where the key is.
You showed her where the key is? Are you mad? Who gave you that order? Who gave you?
Hey, why are you shouting?
Oh, I thought that stupid boy gave the keys to my room to my ex.
It's okay. You're welcome. How was your day?
It's fine.
Babe,
Yes.
I want you to take me to the hospital. I'm having severe headache. Please take me to the hospital.
Baby, I just think you need rest.
No, I want to go to the hospital. I'm not feeling well.
Alright, let me quickly freshen up and change.
Alright,
I'll be right back.
I'm waiting.
Yes, sir. 5 minutes. Tina! Quick, get my coffee! The best! Tina! Hurry up! Doctor, please. What is this? What is wrong with her? What is it?
Congratulations.
Congratulations?
Yes, you can have this. Your wife is pregnant.
No, she can't be pregnant. I mean, doctor, it's a taboo for me to have a child outside wedlock, please. Please, I need you to, we have to do something. I need you to help me. I can't keep the baby. I can have this child. Please. I'll give you $1 million.
I don't do this any longer.
No.
It's not about the money. I need you to understand this. The last time I did this, my mom appeared to me in my dreams. And she told me that there will be repercussion to such action if I continue.
Doctor, you're not doing this. I'm paying you to do it. If there's any repercussion, let it be on me. You have to help me, please. I can't keep this child. It's a taboo. Something bad will happen to me if I keep this child. I'll give you $2 million. 3, 4.
Okay. I'll do it.
Thank you. The repercussion will be on me.
It's alright.
you sweating? What is it? Doctor, talk to me. What happened? How is my woman?
It didn't go well.
Wait a minute. What do you mean by it didn't go well?
I mistakenly damaged her womb.
My goodness. I'm sure you have something. Medications, drugs, anything that can keep her unconscious for 2 days. I'm sure you can.
Yes, I'm going to handle it. But what about my money?
Your money is not a problem. Keep her unconscious for 2 days. Send me your account number. As soon as I leave here, 4 million will be in your account. Let this be between you and I.
Yes. Yes.
Good.
What is wrong with this girl? So Tina has the guts to stay out this late when she's aware I'm around. Okay. I must take her out of this village. I will not allow Ejike to take her star away from her. I will not allow him. I will take her out of this village, and I will do that as soon as possible. Just go and come back. You'll see me. Yeah, bro, how are you? Yeah, sorry I missed your call. I was yes, I was attending to something. How far have you sent the money? How much, please? I said 250 million. I don't understand. Can't get who they send the 230. 230 for what? Complete my money now. I know they do big man, reach my money. Complete my money. Tomorrow. When the first thing tomorrow morning, I will call you by 8:30. I go out of my fufu work, but if I know the race, get my money, complete it tomorrow morning before 9 a.m. Thank you. I'll pay you for one day. I never, no be, all of their lives tomorrow, because, it's nice. It's fine, but okay, good. Thank you.
Tina, how are you?
Michael, as you can see, I don't have time for plenty questions. I am not in a good mood. Please.
I'm sorry, but I just want to ask you a question. Why are you treating me like this? Why do you refuse to marry me? Even everything I told you about me. What did I do to you? What have I done?
You want to know why? That is because I am tired of men. I am tired of men in general. Leave me alone. I'm tired.
Tina, I'm sorry.
I'm tired.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, see. Tina, please. I don't know what you must have gone through. But I'm a different person. My name is Michael. See, I love you. Just give me a chance. I'm not like other men that broke your heart. I'm different. Just give me a chance. I will make it up to you, please. Whatever that you see me or feel that I can do bad to you, I cannot. Please stop crying. Stop crying. Crying. Let me take you home.
Oh.
Madam.
My guy is not around. What do you mean he's not around? But his car is outside. So where is he?
Madam, I don't know. He's not around.
Ejike! I do not want to believe all his cars are there. And you're telling me that. Is this not your guy?
Ah.
What is happening here?
Come here. Did I not tell you to tell this woman that I am not around?
Oh, God, I told her.
You told her. Then what's she doing here?
What is this? So you intentionally told this man not to let me in?
Are you just going to shut up? Leave my house. I've had enough of your brother. This insult is too much. Enough is enough.
What are you saying, for crying out loud? Did I ever tell you that I care about what my brother does?
Well, I care. I do not want that insult again.
Ejike, please stop.
Yet!
You are hurting me. Stop it.
I'm hurting you.
Yes.
I'll show you what hurting is. Open the door. Open the door! Now follow up! Turn this into that!
Wicked man, onye jidori rie. Evil man, onye jidori teacher. Evil person, maka the great Shinkaka is your power. You follow this fight, I am ready. Upon flesh to flesh, I am ready. Blood to blood, I am ready. I'm gonna show you, say, I am ready. I be woman, I am. This is war. This is battle. Oh my God, what is the cause? Onyega Kwamo. I am ready. I am ready. She's ready for war. I am ready. I am ready. Osinya bite tiwa tiwa. Isi madugada. Isi madugada. Ife jike melumo. Ne utem. Opiala mo talinde mo.
You're welcome, Gajulu. It is good you have come to know the progress of the preparation for the burial. We have bought goats, we have bought cows, and we're only just waiting for other things, you know, when you come like this.
Oh, Uncle Chella. Joey. I'm not here for all that, right? I'm here because I want to build a new house and my friends will stay during the burial.
Oh, that's nice. Very good, very good.
Because I know that if it's about cows and goats, I can even order a trail load of them and they will bring it.
I trust you.
But I want to build a befitting house in the village so that if my friend comes from town, they will still be able to stay during the burial.
Good idea. Good idea.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But you know, I cannot do that without the land.
Sure.
So I need that your land at Tobago.
Oh, Biajulu, AGK already bought the land. You saw his house there.
Now, who is Ejike? Huh? Who is Ejike? Well, Uncle, I heard he has not even paid for the land. He paid part payment, right? He has not completed his payment, right?
You're right.
So forget about him. I'm not talking about him. What I'm talking about is that I am here for that land. 5 million naira for the land.
What did you say?
5 million. Cash.
You see, he has not even finished payment. He just paid only 200,000.
Hey, Uncle Eche Digo too. Take one nego to Panama. No good need to Panama. Uncle,
Yes,
I've heard you. So sort yourself with the 5 million. I'll come with the lawyer so that we'll get all the necessary documentation ready. Okay?
Even if it's night, you come, knock.
Hi.
I'm available.
Who can like one? He like a one only.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry yourself.
Okay. No problem.
Don't worry yourself.
No problem.
We'll solve the things. Then my engineers will come around. The contractor, they will come and fix the building.
Anytime you want to come.
You will see it.
Anytime you want to come.
Hey, Uncle.
Hey, no.
Come on, do good and I have super.
Thank you very much.
I have super.
Thank you.
What is the platform here? Where to where? You understand?
Right.
And I would want to bring down this house.
That's one.
Yes, I've paid off the owner. I want to bring it down.
Demolish it.
Yes, we'll demolish it so that you know how to shift the building. I need compound. A big compound. Okay.
Right.
All right. Nice. Then okay, the fence will start from there. That means The entrance gate. Where will I see the entrance gate?
We're taking the fence from here, so we do the entrance.
You know the entrance where?
What about the car?
Get outside. You know the entrance where?
What about the car lot? Building will face this way, right?
The building will face where? The building will face what?
Okay, face this way.
Your life will face that way.
Okay, then what about the swimming pool?
The swimming pool will swallow you. Okay. Swimming pool will swallow you.
Okay, nice.
Swimming pool will swallow. Are you going to get out of my land or not? What pillar?
We're doing the fencing.
You will fence your in-law. Your generation, you will fence your generation. Look at this picture. Are you going to stay from my land?
You think what?
You are going to put a pillar inside your destiny. Are you going to? Sir, what?
We're drawing the fence from.
You will draw the fence of your ancestors. Look at this picture. There will be no space in your life.
Okay.
Get away from my land.
Okay, nice.
Get away from my land.
Go ahead.
Obiajulu, go ahead. Go ahead, let me see. You don't think?
So we can have 2 gates.
You are going to have all the gates in your life.
2 entrances.
The gate of hellfire will... You will not get out of my... Go ahead.
Sir, I'm thinking if...
You're thinking of what? Wait, don't dare! Don't dare!
Sir.
Yes, just send me account number. I'll effect that on your account.
Okay.
Yeah, so that you start work immediately, okay?
Alright,
thank you.
I'll call you, sir.
Alright.
Don't try me.
All the it's good we see that.
Yes. Hear from him. I will know what to do.
I don't understand the hell member.
Where is something?
That's I greet you all.
Obiajulu.
My elders.
Yeah, come just in. I that was why I insisted that he should have that title because
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for coming late. I had to attend to 1 or 2 business meetings before coming. So you sent for me.
Yes, we did.
Okay.
AGK reported you to us. He said you invaded the land he bought from Mazi here. We want to know how true that is and then know how to handle the matter.
My elders. Woke to cherry. And all if I make a random mobile. Itoche, a choroco, you also have Ito. AGK is not really interested in land issues. AGK is not happy that I am rich. But that is aside. Let me say something. The person that sold the land to me is alive. Mazi is here. Ask him what happened. Mazi Biko, Wafe Ezioku, tell them the truth.
I will tell us the truth. You see, that land in question was never completely paid for by Etiko. And so we never had any agreement in any form. Is that it? Yes. And so when he came and he had the money to pay for the land,
Okay.
So I sold it to him. He did not stop there. Obiajulu even gave him 500,000 naira as compensation.
Cash.
Don't forget, he only paid 200,000. Yes. But he gave him 500,000 as compensation.
Cash.
So why would he now be claiming that he invaded his land?
No. You heard what he said?
Yes. I overheard him say something, and I want to be sure and understand. Are you saying there were no formal agreements? There was no agreement.
Even if there was an agreement, where do you go? Yes. Hold the on. Hold on. 1 minute.
We know something is going to happen, so we'll hold on.
So, you see?
My elders.
Hey!
Omena Katon. Omena Katon.
This is for you. This is for you. This is for you. This is for you.
Obikashi.
I know when meeting.
Meeting again is a meeting at end.
Meeting at end.
The land belongs to you. I'll give one. That thing you were doing yesterday with money, flying money like, eh? Slapping everybody with money. Money was just flying, fiam, fiam. Some even nearly got to heaven self. Eh? I want to ask, wasn't that a waste of money? Eh? Maz?
It's here. So, when you make money, you allow people to enjoy money.
Exactly.
It's not a waste because I know that they later pick them up. And I wanted my late parents to enjoy the money they could not eat while alive. So let me allow them to flex.
Well, at last, our brother Amadi and his wife have been buried. See, Maz, they were not just buried. They were buried in a grand style.
Yes.
Eh?
It was evident.
In fact, look at the way money. Hey, Efieju everywhere. Efieju Ebenine. Hey. Eguana Efenino, just like that, flying like. In fact, you were a man.
Yes. Thank you.
And wherever they are right now, they'll be very, very happy that you gave them the befitting burial.
Exactly.
You can say that.
Obiajulu, let me tell you, you are a man. You have shown to us that you're a real man. In 4 days, you used 4 cows on your grandfather's burial. Not just that, you buried your father and your mother the same day. Obiajulu, I think you deserved an also title.
You absolutely. You are right.
Lichie, thank you so much.
Good.
Come on, Dogu Gano and Leka. I have super. Super. Thank you so much. Enjoy yourself. I told them to prepare meat for you people. Yes. Libe nego. Nega adigo. Don't worry yourself. I'll have to leave your people. Let me see them in the site. I'll be back soon.
We'll be here. We're still here.
Hey.
Try. You're not see, this is our own. I'm not used to all this. Thank you.
My brother.
Mike, my man, I get news. Mike, one more.
Good news. Oga, good news. The girl has finally accepted to marry me.
Which girl are you talking about?
Tina, of course, now.
Oh, Piaju's only sister.
Yes, now. Accepted to marry me.
My man, you are lucky.
Hey, nah, man.
Mike, you are made though.
For life.
Hey.
For life.
Jeba. Gee, I can't believe this.
What do you mean you can't believe what? You should
Tina.
be happy. Oh, guys, you should be happy for me that
I'm happy for you. We have blown, no? When I have blue walk like when we get that boy, that boy had this one man. I hope you are doing breaking. Shh, come on. And we are made.
Yes, now.
That boy will spoil you with money.
Oga, calm down.
Only enough, but one no, we are getting
now, guy, I told you, calm down. More man, A day will come when everything will change.
You see,
I'm mad. You okay?
One day I've always believed in you. You see why I've always believed in you? Huh? You're my very good friend. That's why I used to give you all these good advices. Yes. I always believed in you. You're my very good. That's one them cable. One day we are blown in this village.
And I'm a second choice.
My coach,
what's up?
I hope you've returned that car you hired.
I was calling you on the phone. Make you follow me go return the car. Yesterday, now.
I forgot to miss call.
You know, open this phone. Open this phone. No be my miss call be this. I don't return the car now yesterday. Calm down. I returned the car yesterday without you.
I wish this thing had a smaller sister. One come come.
Go to sister one next. Put there. I am on the corner of where I'm going to
you lose us or no. Come so never now.
Do you know the kind of money these people have?
Imo could go ndi aji. Naga, when aji bastard money. Naga, what do this guy better must no one. Nah, he's a very big boy.
You are welcome, our in-laws. We have heard what you said. We are going to call our daughter Tina to tell us if we can go ahead and keep the wine drinks. As over there.
Ada. Do you know the people sitting here with us?
Yes, I do.
You know them very well. They have brought some drinks. So, do we have your permission to take the drinks?
Yes.
Okay, we can go inside.
Okay, Ngorojo. And I didn't enjoy so.
So you will go home and come back with your kinsmen. We will look at our own calendar here and look for the available time. Then we'll send for you.
Exactly.
No problem, sir. I really appreciate it.
Can we have a drink?
Oh.
DJ. Hey.
Where do we start from? Do we start from here?
I don't know. Wherever you want. If you do not. I didn't want to say this in front of the others there. You know? I called you out because you know Odogu. And Odogu. You want to come and marry from Odogu's house. Eh? I want to let you know that whatever list they will give to you, don't worry about it. Do the ones you can. Then the ones you cannot, forward it to me. I will foot the bill. However it is, I must support you in this.
Thank you, brother.
She is my sister and I love her so well.
She told me a lot about you.
It's
I
fine.
really appreciate it.
It's fine.
I'm so much grateful.
And for the business we talked about, we will discuss that after the wedding.
Oh, okay.
But you must give me time, please. If you want to fix the date for the wedding, give me time. I'm fixing a duplex there. You can see it.
Wow.
Yes, once I'm done
You
with
own
it,
this?
I own the duplex. Once I'm done, you can bring your date. I know are there. Once we have finished your wedding, we celebrate my housewarming.
God, I really appreciate, man.
You're welcome.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Thank you so much. I'm happy I came to your family.
It's fine. It's fine.
Thank you so much.
Odogu Kepia.
Odogu.
Odogu. Ah,
Obi ajolo nwa amadi. The fearless lion. Igirigindo. One.
Mama Nubu, Omkowele. Mama Nubu, Omkowe.
Inoka nwoke si ano.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Igirigendo.
Igirigendo.
We need to remind you that you have a blood sacrifice to make.
I know. For one tag, I am really for.
You will make a blood sacrifice for 7 days. Starting from tomorrow with newborn babies. At noon.
I will deliver.
We will be waiting.
No problem. I will do it. I hope all is well.
All is not well.
What happened? What is the problem?
My husband sent me out of the house.
He sent you out?
Yes.
And why is that?
He said I'm supposed to be pregnant by now.
What? Is he mad? Eh? Are you God that gives children? I don't understand. He sent you out of the house we bought for him?
Yes, he actually sent me out. I tried to explain things to him, but he wouldn't listen.
I will deal with him.
No, please. Don't touch him. He's always like that. You know he's very stubborn, but I believe once his brain settles, he will come pleading. Please.
I must deal with him. You should know that you are not the average girl in this village. Eh? You are my sister. I will deal with him.
I know, but please don't. Just let him be. I know my husband. He will come around, certainly. Please. Don't touch him.
It's okay. Just settle in. Very soon I will complete my duplex, so you can move in there and come in anytime you want. Right? But for him, don't worry. I'll settle it. Let's go inside.
Let me get my bag.
Okay. I'll mess him up. He's so stupid. He wants you out of the house we bought for him.